Shalom everyone, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into a very useful structure in Hebrew, a word that transforms how you describe things and people. Imagine you want to say someone is irresponsible, inexperienced, or talentless. In English, we use adjectives. In Hebrew, we use one powerful word, chasar, which means someone who lacks a quality. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe any person or group using this one elegant structure. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. So let's start with the basics. The word חוסר means deficiency, shortage, lack, or insufficiency. חסר means lacking or devoid of. When we use it before a noun, it means someone who lacks that quality. For example, חסר כישרון means a talentless person, literally lacking talent. חסר סבלנות is a person without patience. Once you know the noun, the word חסר immediately lets you describe someone who lacks it. Now here is where Hebrew does its Hebrew thing. Gender agreement. חסר changes depending on who you're describing. We have 4 forms. Let's look at them. First we have חסר, which is used for masculine singular. Then we have חסרת, which is used for feminine singular. We also have חסרי, which is used for plural males or a mixed group. And the last one is חסרות, which is used for plural feminine. The basic structure is the subject and then חסר, חסרת, חסרי, or חסרות, and then the noun. Don't worry if it looks like a lot. We'll drill it with examples and you'll get it fast. Now here are some of the more common nouns you can use with חסר. Learn these and you can make hundreds of sentences. Responsibility. אחריות. 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 Patience. סבלנות. 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 Experience. ניסיון. 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 Sense of humor. חוש הומור. חוש הומור. חוש הומור. Courage. אומץ. 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 Imagination. דמיון. 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 Education. השכלה. 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 Self-confidence. ביטחון עצמי. ביטחון עצמי. ביטחון עצמי. luck. מזל. 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 talent. כישרון. 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 emotion. רגש. 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 respect. כבוד. 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 initiative. יוזמה. 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 self-respect. כבוד עצמי. כבוד עצמי. כבוד עצמי. Faith or belief. אמונה. 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 value. ערך. 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 empathy. אמפתיה. 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 energy. אנרגיה. 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 hope. תקווה. 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 And here are a few other phrases. חסר טעם, which is used to say that something lacks taste, literally, or that something is pointless. חסר טעם, or חסר היגיון, which is irrational or literally lacks sense. חסר היגיון, or חסר בית, which is a person who is homeless. חסר בית. Now, let's go over a few examples with the different forms of חסר, each using a different noun. Watch how the form changes to match the subject, but the structure stays the same. To say, he lacks responsibility at work. Say, הוא חסר אחריות בעבודה. he חסר אחריות, lacks responsibility, singular male, בעבודה, at work. הוא חסר אחריות בעבודה. To say, I lack energy today. As a female, say, אני חסרת אנרגיה היום. I חסרת אנרגיה, lack energy, singular female, היום, today. אני חסרת אנרגיה היום. To say, they lack experience in this field. Say, הם חסרי ניסיון בתחום הזה. they, חסרי ניסיון, lack experience, plural males or mixed group, בתחום, in the field, הזה, this, singular male. הם חסרי ניסיון בתחום הזה. To say, they lack self-confidence. When speaking about a group of females, say, הן חסרות ביטחון עצמי. they, females, חסרות ביטחון עצמי, lack self-confidence, plural females. הן חסרות ביטחון עצמי. To say, I lack musical talent. As a male, say, אני חסר כישרון מוזיקלי. I חסר כישרון, lack talent, singular male, מוזיקלי, musical, singular male. אני חסר כישרון מוזיקלי. To say, she lacks imagination in her creation. Say, היא חסרת דמיון ביצירה שלה. she, חסרת דמיון, lacks imagination, singular female, ביצירה, in the creation, שלה, of hers. היא חסרת דמיון ביצירה שלה. To say they lack formal education, say הם חסרי השכלה פורמלית. הם, they, חסרי השכלה, lack education, plural males or mixed group. פורמלית, formal, singular female. הם חסרי השכלה פורמלית. To say, the man has been homeless for years. Say, האיש חסר בית כבר שנים. האיש, the man, חסר בית, homeless, singular male, כבר, already, שנים, years. האיש חסר בית כבר שנים. To say the food is completely tasteless. Say, האוכל חסר טעם לגמרי. האוכל, the food, חסר טעם, tasteless, לגמרי, completely. האוכל חסר טעם לגמרי. To say, her suggestion makes no sense to me. Say, ההצעה שלה חסרת היגיון בעיניי. ההצעה, the suggestion, שלה, of hers, חסרת היגיון, irrational or lacks sense, singular female, בעיניי, in my eyes. ההצעה שלה חסרת היגיון בעיניי. Now let's do a quick recap of all the forms. חסר means lacks for singular masculine. חסר. חסרת means lacks singular female. חסרת. חסרי mean lacks for plural males or a mixed group. חסרי. And חסרות means lacks for a group of females. חסרות. So there you have it. חסר. One small word with enormous power in Hebrew. Once you internalize this, you'll start hearing it everywhere. In the news, in conversations, in Israeli TV shows, and more. Now here is your homework. Write 4 sentences in the comments, one for each form. I read every comment and I'll give you a feedback. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.